Hello, good morning to all of you. So we have completed up to sum number 9 of chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is Time and Work. So now we are going to start sum number 10 of the same exercise. See the statement carefully. Same way we have to solve. In this sum you can make two cases. First, see the statement, they both are equal, or means they both are equal here. They can do a job in 25 days. Who? At first I am writing this statement. M-E-N, men. How many men? 8 men can do a job in 25 days. How many? 8 men can do a job in 25 days. So you can find a single day's work. Can do in a single day. You can find first 1 by 25. It was given they can complete a job in 25 days. We are finding here only for 1 day, so it will be 1 by 25, and it is same 8 men. Now we have to find 6. So here you can find 1 first. How to find a single man? Can do in 1 day. Can do in 1 day. How much he can do? What we have to do? We have to divide. Why we have to divide? Because again same thing, man and days are always inverse. What we have to do? We have to divide with 8. 25 into 8 means it will become 1 by 200. Now we have to find 6 men. They can do it in a single day. 1 by 200 into 6. By cancelling it will become 3 upon 100. So you got 3 upon 100. 6 men. Same way you have to solve for women. Same way. Michael can do in 25 days. It is given, so you have to find for a single day. Women can do in 1 day. How much? 1 by 25. After that you can find for a single woman. Can do in a 1 day. Again we have to divide only because we are having a single woman, so we need more time. 25 into 12. In the sum we have to find for 11 women. 11 women can do the work. It will become 300 into 11 means 11 by 300. Okay. In the sum what we have to find? We have to find here both together and is given. So both you will add. So 6 men and 11 women can do in one day. How much both add? 3 by 100 plus 11 by 300. LCM is 300. 9 plus 11 means 20 by 300. 1 by 15. 1 by 15. It is a one day bulk. So we have to find they will complete the work in how many days. So we can say they can complete in 15 days. They can complete in 15 days. So now we are having sum number 12. A can do a job in 3 hours, B in 4 hours and C in 6 hours if all are working together and got rupees 360. How much each will get? So simply you will find is single hour work. It will be 1 by 3. Same you can find B's 1 hour work. It will be 1 by 4. Same you can find C's 1 hour work. It is 1 by 6. They got rupees 360. How much each will get? That we have to find. You can find the ratio of all. Ratio of all you can find. How to find ratio of all? 1 by 3 ratio, 1 by 4 ratio, 1 by 6. Okay, you can now simplify it. How to simplify? LCM of these three, that will be 12. In 3 table, where 12 is coming? 4. 4 1 is 4. 4 table on 3, 3 1 is 3. 6 table on 2. 6 2s are 12. So simply here we can write ratio in 4, ratio 3, ratio 2. The number we can leave because we are simply doing ratio. We got the ratio 4, ratio 3, ratio 2. Okay. Now, can we find here sum of ratio? Sum of ratio will be what? 4 plus 3 plus 2. That is 9. Okay. So now simply A got how much? How much? A got 4. 4 upon 9 because it is the sum of ratio, that is 4 by 9 into 360. Rupees 160. B got 3 by 9 into 360. Rupees 120. And C got 2 by 9 from here. 4 ratio 3 ratio 2. It is of A, it is of B, and it is of C. 2 by 9 into 360. that is rupees 80. Okay, so now sum number 15. That is very interesting sum of the exercise. A cold water tap can fill a bath in 3 minutes and hot water in 4 minutes. Then a waste pipe can empty in 6 minutes. I can show you. Suppose it is a bathtub. A cold water can fill a bath in 3 minutes. Suppose it is of cold water. It is here taking 3 minutes. And which water? Hot water in 4 minutes. In 4 minutes. Hot water H. Hot water can fill in 4 minutes and waste pipe can empty, means इसमें से पानी बाहर निकल रहा है, can empty in 6 minutes. Empty कर रहा है. If all are used together, ये सारे एक बार में काम कर रहे हैं. If all are working together, so it will take how much time to fill? Okay, how you solve it? Solution. At first, simply it is given a cold water. You can say to it A tap. A taps. One, as you know, we are finding always one. And that is 1 by 3. You can find a single minute work, that is 1 by 3. Same way of one more pipe is there. It is of hot water. You can say to it beta. Here also you can find for a single. It will become 1 by 4. A single minute work 1 by 4. Then one more is there. That is empty one. It can do in 6 minutes. So you can say to it C pipes. It will become 1 by 6. Now, what you will do? They are saying if all are used together, सभी एक बार में काम कर रहे हैं. Means you have to find what? A. ये आपने फाइंड करना है. इसमें से पानी अंदर जा रहा है, इसमें से नहीं जा रहा है, इसमें से निकल रहा है. So we have to here minus and here we have to add. We have to find it. How you solve it? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. LCM is 12. 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are 6 2s are 5 by 12. But we have to find the total time. We are finding it for only for 1 minute. So in it will become 2 by 5. Minutes they will fill the bath. they will fill the bath in 2 2 by 5 minutes.